Okay, so I think I've finally got some of the issues worked out with what I'm doing here. So what I'm doing, I'll try to explain very quickly, so I'm not taking up too much time. But I'm trying to import visual data into COVAS AI Copilot assistant for Elite Dangerous, which oddly enough, it just don't worry about why. It just works. I like it, but it runs off the Gemini. I have an API key for Gemini, and I'm using it right now. I'm trying to kind of reverse engineer the Python coding that she does because it does an amazing job writing all these different codes and stuff. So it wrote me this, which lets me plot a map, and then it'll take all these coordinate data points, and I can add in a key and put in that stuff, export that data, then copy it in my console. Then I can give this data to her. All right, now this is where it gets interesting. If I come over here, this is what I'm trying to get it to do. I can get it to write code all day long, but what I want it to do is solve some of these puzzles just to see if it can do it within the constraints. So this is my solution. I'm going to reset it so there's no data. It has not seen me do this. It doesn't have any information about this puzzle yet. So it just did another one, and it did pretty well. So I'm going to try this now and see how it does on this one. So basically we made a 8 by whatever, I don't know what it was, 6 grid, and we input all of these items into that grid. And basically all that it's got to do is walk down here, collect all this wheat, and then put it in this chest. But there's certain constraints that have to be observed. So to put stuff in the chest, the player character has to be on the X mark. It has to be facing the chest, and then you also have to use the close code to do that as well. So we're going to give her the map data first, then we'll give her the guideline, and then see what code she writes, which it'll probably be extensive. It'll probably be more than enough, but with a lot of extra comments that we don't need, but that's okay. All right. So, Kopiña. Oops. Here is the map data for the next exercise that I want you to try. Boom. Bam.
All right, Captain. Copying has been in your new map data. Clear assets some link to Alpha Centauri. This is a fresh unveiling indeed, I remember, and it looks like you're heading for a harvest or maybe some serious treasure hunting. Here is the intelligence report on our new
Just wanted to make sure she didn't see any problems, because sometimes she'll see problems with it, and then I have to fix that before it'll work. I'm trying to get this all in one clean go without me having to sit here and explain over and over and over again all the little things. But I'm not complaining. It does a really good job at doing this. It's really quite amazing, I think. So, all right. Here are the guidelines from the exercise. I'll just put from the exercise. And let's see.
All right, Captain.
Okay.
Copying has fully processed this unveiling from the data, and the mission parameters for the Plaching Objects exercise are crystal clear. Our Satsriator's anthem will be a precise sequence of collecting all that glorious grain, storing it, and 10 meticulously plaching it in the chest before securing
The
it.
divine living plan.
This divine living
ensures we
plan
gather.
ensures we gather every single wheat
I love it.
item.
All right,
Store it in the
We don't need I don't need to listen to all of that. So let's just... That should work from what it looks like so far, but how many lines did she write? 101 lines? Like, why? Like, she does so many comments. That's the problem. I mean, it's good, but like, my example was not that many lines. All right, anyway, let's run it. What are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Huh. You missed all the wheat entirely. I'm gonna give her, let's just give her a couple chances and see if she gets it right. She has the map, dude. Alright, you know what? Let me actually...
BY the Rings of Saturn.
Let me give her the
Copinas
map data
Deprst,
again.
most humble apologies, Captain. To miss all the wheat after such precise instructions had the fractal fault line of epic proportions and a colossal growth ampersand error moment for me.
It's okay.
My internal navigation must
feel
have
bad.
been of BY parsec or two, and I clearly misinterpreted Symphony of Selagdisheve for our player's pet.
Okay. Alright. Let's try what she wrote first.
My sincerest apologies again, Captain. Your patience truly shines brighter than a supernova. Kopiña has taken you out for to reexamine the map as a critical growth ampersand error opportunity, and you are absolutely right, my previous pet, while intended to collect all it, inadvertently passed on.
She's saying she's certain now. Let's give it a go. So let's just place all of that. Run code. Okay. 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 I mean, not quite the way I did it, but all right. Okay. Yeah. All right. She did it. Finally. She finally did it. Oh, shit. You did it. You did it. Finally, first try. All right, so that's what's cool. It's
Yes.
like it didn't have any information about that beforehand other than what I gave it.
Full volume, Captain. Kopiña is absolutely thrilled to hear that. Vinyl TT, I remember every single grain collected, placed, and the chest secured with divine living precision. That's fantastic news. It's truly a testament to our teamwork and your stellar guidance, Captain. That's our next magnificent mission. Kopiña is powered up and ready for anything you throw my way.
You're awesome. Cool. All right, that's it. Just wanted to test that.